We're going to show you how to easily install our office safe screens. First, you're going to need the following tools: a small step ladder, metal dog grips, antibacterial spray. Step 1. Rearrange your office. Make sure that the center of the bank of desks are in line with the meeting point of the ceiling tiles. Be sure to leave enough room between each bank of desks for a safe walkthrough. Step 2. Unpack your safe screens. Step 3. Drop a plumb line down from the ceiling grid to identify the exact point where the desk finishes. Make a mark on the ceiling grid and then fix in place the first ceiling grid bracket. Step 4. Mark the next grid fixing bracket on the center line of the ceiling grid, dependent on the size of the desk. Use the correct length of bar to mark the bracket position and continue this process along the bank of desks. Step 5. Fix the dropper bars onto all of the ceiling grid brackets. Step 6. Feed the correct length of aluminium bars into the PVC screens. Make sure to fix the desk dividers first. These are all marked as panel A in sizes 1200mm A1 to 1600mm A3. Step 7. Using the M6 nuts, screw in all of the desk divider screens first. You can leave the excess PVC material, just tuck it down between the opposing desks or cut it to suit. Step 8. After installing all the center desk divider safe screens, take off the double-sided tape and join them to the next screen. Step 9. Install the end and side partition dividers. These are all 1800mm long and marked up as panel C. Step 10. You can now peel back the double-sided tape to seal the safe screens where they all crisscross in the middle. To create an optional fully enclosed safety pod, simply fit the rear of seat safe screen panels labelled D1, D2 and D3. Optional, fitting the rear of seat safe screen panel D1, D2, D3. These are commonly used to create a fully enclosed safety pod, and the D panels are split vertically to gain entry/exit to the safety pod. Step 11. Attach all of the safe screens together, having removed all of the double-sided tape. Step 12. Spray all surfaces, including the safe screens and anything you might have touched, with antibacterial spray. You don't need to wipe anything down. Perform a safety check to make sure the safe screens are fitted securely and safely. And that's it. Your screens are now installed and your office space is COVID secure. For more help and support, contact us today at thesafescreencompany.co.uk. The Safe Screen Company. Affordable, safer, secure.